Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React.js client-side image to PDF editor. So this is actually the screenshot of the application. We are running this application locally. So right here, you simply select a bunch of images. So whatever images you want to convert, you will select and you will be able to see the live preview. As soon as you select the images, you simply click the button generate PDF and you will see that these images will be converted to PDF. So it's actually directly runs as a single page application. It's a React application. You select a bunch of images. After selecting those bunch of images, you click the generate PDF button and then automatically the PDF file will get downloaded. So this is actually coded directly inside TypeScript. This is actually the full directory structure of the project. All the files are coded directly inside TypeScript, so it's fully customizable. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. So we are running this project locally here. You will see we have started this project npm run start. So the application is running on localhost 3000, and also it's easy for you to deploy this application as well. So we also have the build command as well. So you can run this command npm run build. So this will build out the entire React.js application and it will be easy for you to deploy this. So we are using the latest version of React, and also we are using the jsPDF library as well for actually generating the PDF document right here. So as you can see, it will be easy for you to purchase a domain name and deploy this application. So interface is quite simple. It's fully good on desktop, mobile, tablet. So you can just see right here, you simply select the images. The image can be PNG, JPG or WebP. After you select those images, you click the button and then it convert those images into PDF. For this, we are using this library JSPDF, which is a JavaScript based PDF generation library. It's a really popular package. We have used this. Alongside, we have used the latest React version. So it will be easy for you to customize this. So if you still face any issues, you can contact me. For building this, we have this command here, which is npm run build. So it will create this build directory and it will actually create a build of this project. So it will be easy for you to deploy this project. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. So I shown you the full demo here and also this build command as well. So it will be easy for you to deploy this as well. So once it completes the build command, you will get a notification that your project is compiled successfully. You will see that the build folder is ready to be deployed. So it will create this build folder. So in this easy way, It actually runs directly in the browser. You're at the client side. No server-side code is involved. It directly runs offline. It doesn't require any internet connection. It's a single-page application where you convert a bunch of images into PDFs. So it's a React application. Definitely, if you are interested in this, it will save you a lot of time as well. It's fully customizable.